Welcome to this channel, Harivaram. In this video, we are going to learn how to sum of digits when cell contains all numbers. So suppose here is our 3-digit number and I want the sum of this 347 plus 5, 12. So my result should be here 12. So if I do here 156 means this 15 plus 6, 12. So I want to create the formula. So how can we do this? We'll see in this video. So first of all, we will use one formula, and the formula starts from equal to, and then we will use here sum and then bracket, and we will use this two hyphen and mid formula, and we will choose this cell, and after choosing this cell we will write comma and use another sequence formula, and after that bracket and len, and again choosing the this cell and closed with two brackets and comma and 1, and again close with two bracket and hit enter. You will get the result as our required, and we'll drag here. You can see here the digit of this sum is 28. If I write here 1598, so the result should be here 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 9 15, 18 plus 8 23. If I drag this here, you will see here our formula result is 23. So in this way you can use to sum the digits when cell contains all numbers. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and you can watch my another episode too to get your knowledge. Thank you.